to Dr. Nasir. Today we're going to present our project assessment, which is shear strength. My name is BINTANG LIDAM. Today I'm going to present my part, which is introduction of our project. Okay, what is shear stress? Shear stress is the resistance of a soil to the induced shear strength. Okay, this project will cover the laboratory procedure to determine the value of corrosion-less soil. And this project also will carry out on either undistributed, simple and remolded sample. Okay, the objective of our project is to determine the shear strength parameter of a soil, such as corrosion and friction angle. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks.
Firstly, weigh the weight of the sandy soil. First weight of soil is 1.75 kg, second is 2.5 kg, and third is 3.25 kg. Secondly, set up the shear box according to these steps. First, we put the retaining plate. After that, we put the perforated plate, which is solid grip plate. Then, we put the soil specimen. After that, we compare it. We compare the soil. After we compact, we put the perforated plate again. After perforated plate, we put the porous plate. After porous plate, we put the loading plate. Fix to half of the shear box by means of fixing screw. Place the loading yokes on the loading pad and carefully lift the hanger onto the top of loading yokes. Set the proving ring to 0. Set the monitor. Compressive stress. After that, we start the experiment. Then, wait until the machine stops automatically. After that, we record the data. Then, repeat all the steps by using different compressive straps.
Good day to Dr. Muhammad Nasir. My name is Nuraliah binti Muhammad Sajim, matric cards number AF180106. Today I will be explaining about result and calculation for our direct shear test report. So for our specimen, we use sandy soil with 3 types of different weight, which is the first one is 1.75 kg, second one is 2.5 kg, and the third one is 3.25 kg, with given length of 65 mm, an area of 4.2, exponent -3 m². So from all of the information, we can now calculate the shear stress and strain. The strength parameter obtained from a direct shear test are the cohesion and angle of friction. From the data, we can see that the value of shear stress and strain is increasing as the load is increasing. Now for graph plotting is between normal stress and shear stress by taking normal stress on abscess scar and shear stress at failure on ordinate. The graph look like as shown below. We have 5 different graphs, each for 1.75 kg, 3 for 2.5 kg, and 1 for 3.25 kg. So for 1.75 kg, the cohesion intercept is 0 and the angle of shearing resistance is 23 degree. While for 2.5 kg, the cohesion intercept is 0, active 5 and 0, which given the angle of shearing resistance is 25, 20 and also 37. For 3.25 kg, the cohesion intercept is 12 with 29 degree of angle shearing resistance. Now for calculation, it is done by using the observation taken from the test as follows, which is the first one is displacement, proving ring, shear stress, strain, stress, normal stress, with all of that given formula respectively. Thank you. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Nuraliah AMIRAH. My metric number is AF180130. So insignificant for hazardous, waste must be managed such as when contamination is above non-hazardous waste limit. Next, option for soil that contain a hazardous waste are on-site or off-site, management as hazardous waste. For non-hazardous, when both following criteria are contaminated, level are above the strengthened soil cleanup criteria established by NJDPED, and also waste is not classified as a hazardous waste.
Assalamualaikum, my name is PUTRI EMYLIA SHAFIQA binti HUSIN. My metric number is AF180067. So I will present about the discussion. Basically, from the direct shear test experiment, we can determine the shear strength parameters of the soil, such as cohesion and friction angle. So generally, the function of this test is to find out the cohesion and angle of internal friction of soil, which are useful in many engineering designs such as foundations, retaining walls, and many more. So this test can be carried out under three different conditions of drainage, namely unconsolidated undrained, consolidated undrained, and consolidated drain. Other than that, the direct shear stress can be applied in many various fields of civil engineering. For example, here it can be applied in rock mass rating, which people always call as RMS system, in order to find out the shear strength of rock masses in slope for the stability of rock slope. The rock mass rating system can be used to estimate the shear strength parameters and the weathered and saturated rock masses. It was observed that the cohesion and the angle of internal friction increase when RMS increase. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SURAYA binti NURSYAHIRA, AF180184, and today I'm going to further the discussion of this project. As we know, the parameters of the shear strengths are important to be observed to avoid slope and soil failure in any constructions. Hence, the direct shear test has advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are due to the smaller thickness of the sample, the rapid drainage can be achieved. Next, it can be used to determine the interface strength parameters. Meanwhile, for the disadvantages of this test, the failure may occur along the predetermined failure plane. Besides that, the area of the sliding surface changes as the test progresses can make the result become inaccurate. And last but not least, the non-uniform distribution of shear stress along the failure surface may exist. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning. Okay. For concrete this project, our group can determine the shear strength parameter of the soil, such as cohesion and friction angle. The direct shear strength have a few advantages, which it is simple and faster to operate and direct measurement of shear strength. According to the preparations of soil specimens, human error are not avoidable, and the preparations of totally identical is also not possible. Estimating errors such might be a problem with a within balance also can result. Hopefully, may this knowledge can use in the future. Okay, thank you.